Now that I have created trunk ports between switches and I have created VLANs, I want to assign each interface of these routers to the correct VLAN. So let's go and start by interfaces of router 1. I know that 0, 0 interfaces are connected to switch 1 and 0, 1 interfaces are connected to switch 2. But the better approach is go to switch and go to enable mode and show, CDP neighbors. So if I do this, I will know that which interfaces are connected to this specific device. Now I know that I have router 1's path 0, 0 connected to path 1, 1 of this switch. So if I go and check path 0, 0, I can see that it is in VLAN 16. So I go to interface path 1, 1 of this switch. I enable the switch port command, and now I took it to access mode. I take it to access mode, and now I add this switch port access VLAN 16 command, and this will take this interface to the correct VLAN. I prefer to copy all these commands without the VLAN specification, and now I can see that this is done. Router 2 path 0, 0 is connected to path 1, 2. So router 2's path 0, 0 is in VLAN 25. So I go to interface path 1, 2 and paste this and add this to VLAN 25. I have router 3's path 0, 0 and it is in VLAN 36. So I go to interface path 1, 3 and add this to VLAN 36. Now I have, and let's cancel it out and go to the topology. I have VLAN 25 on switch 1 and I want to assign it. So I go to switch 5 and interface VLAN 25 should be created here. Now I better assign an IP address right here. I want to have IP addresses like this. IP address, and this is gonna be 10, 0 as the first prefix, and this is VLAN 25, so I prefer to have its third octet as the VLAN number, so I assign 25 here, and this is switch 1, the fifth device of my network, so I assign 5 as the last octet, and this is gonna be 24-bit IP address. So I have created everything on switch 1. I better save this, and let's go to switch 2 and go to privilege mode. Show CDP neighbor will tell me that I have router 1, 2, 3 connected here, and of course I have BB1 here, the backbone that is of course that has no connection to my LAN. So I go to configuration mode. Interface path 1, 1 is connected to path 0, 1 of router 1. So let's see, path 0, 1 of router 1 is VLAN 12. So I paste in this command and add this to VLAN 12. Interface path 1, 2 is connected to path 0, 1 of router 2, and router 2's path 0, 1 is in VLAN 12 again. So I add this to VLAN 12, and interface path 1, 3 is connected to router 3's path 0, 1. Router 3's path 0, 1 is not connected to anything, so I do not add this to any VLAN. So I have assigned all VLANs, and of course switch 2 has a VLAN 16 and VLAN 36 interface here. So I create VLAN 16 and I assign IP address 10, 0, 16, 6, 255, 255, 255, 0, and of course VLAN 36. So I create this and assign 36 to this interface. Now I have correct VLAN and every VLAN interface on switches. So let's go and assign IP addresses to interfaces of routers. I'm going to assign interface path 0, 0 of router 1. The first interface that I'm going to have its address assigned. So interface path 0, 0, it is in VLAN 16. So it is gonna be IP address 10.0.16.1, and this is because router 1 I have its last octet, as 1. So 255.255.255.0. Interface path 01 is in VLAN 12, so I changed the address to VLAN 12, and of course I have a serial 00 that is connected to frame relay, so I add IP address 10.0.0.1, and it is gonna be 25-bit masked address. So I have every interface here. Let's see if they are unshot. To show IP interface brief tells me that every interface is up right now except the serial interface, but that's because I haven't added encapsulation to this interface. I'm going to do that in the next section. So I go to privilege mode and save everything. Let's go to router 2 and see the VLANs. Path 00 is in VLAN 25, so I go to configuration mode. Interface path 00 will have IP address 10.0.25.2, and interface path 01 is gonna be in VLAN 12, so it is gonna be 12 here. So I have a serial 00, I guess, and that's connected to frame relay section. So 10.0.0.2 is gonna be the IP address and 25-bit mask here, and I save everything. Now let's go to router 3 and see what we have here. I have only one path Ethernet interface that is in VLAN 36, so I will go to path 00 and add this IP address 0.36.3, and now I will go to serial interfaces. Serial 00 is connected to the area between router 1, 2 and 3, so it's gonna be IP address 10.0.0.3, and of course interface serial 01 is connected to my backbone router, so it is gonna have IP address 34.34.34.3 255.255.255.0. And let's check the interfaces using show IP interface brief, and you can see that every interface is working except the serial interfaces that have not encapsulation assigned to them. So I exit my configuration mode. Let's go to backbone, and here I go to configuration mode. Interface serial 01 is connected to router 3, so it is gonna have IP address 34.34.34.254 and 24-bit mask. And show IP interfaces brief shows me that this is up and running. So I save this. So I have every interface assigned its IP address and the correct VLAN. Let's check the connectivity right now. If I try to ping 10.0.12.2, it should be reachable, and you can see that it is successful. I'm going to ping 16.6, and this is reachable as well, so I have connectivity. Let's go to switch 1 and see if I can ping 10.0.25.2, and this is reachable as well. Let's go to switch 2 and ping 10.0.36.3, and this is reachable too. So I have configured every interface and everything is correct and working. Now in next section I will start talking about EIGRP protocol and everything related to it in detail.